Have you ever wondered why your legs feel weaker with each passing year? Asterisk, 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 asterisk. Do stairs feel steeper than they used to? And does getting up from a chair take just a bit more effort? Asterisk, 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 asterisk. What if the problem isn't what you're not doing, but something you've missed entirely? Asterisk, asterisk. As we age, one of the most noticeable shifts in our bodies is the steady decline in muscle strength, especially in the legs. This condition, known as sarcopenia, is more than just an inconvenience. It's a slow-burning issue that chips away at your balance, coordination, and independence. Tasks like walking, standing for long periods, or simply climbing the stairs can become difficult, even painful. But here's the empowering truth. While some degree of muscle weakening is inevitable, the extent of that decline is not. You have far more control than you might think. With the right nutrition and consistent exercise, you can not only preserve, but even restore leg strength. That's because your muscles thrive on specific nutrients, building blocks that your body needs to stay mobile, balanced, and capable. And the best part? These nutrients are hidden in simple foods that you can start eating today. Now, here's the most exciting revelation. Scientists have discovered that just one of these foods can improve muscle strength by up to 30% in just a few weeks. That's not just promising, it's life-changing. So, which food packs that kind of punch? Keep watching, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your grocery list the same way again. These 7 powerhouse foods could transform your mobility and give you back control over your leg strength. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where are you tuning in from today? Feel free to ask questions and share your own health journey. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss a top health tip from Senior Health Boost. If you find this information helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and share this video with a friend. It helps more people find Senior Health Boost, and it supports our mission of keeping seniors strong and independent. One quick note, while these tips are science-backed and practical, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider or dietitian before making major changes to your nutrition. Alright, let's count down the 7 foods from least to most powerful, starting with number 7, walnuts. You might be surprised to see this little brain-shaped nut kicking off our list, but walnuts are a hidden gem in the world of senior nutrition. Let's begin with a fun fact. Walnuts are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. That's right, those same omega-3s that protect your heart are also incredibly valuable for aging muscles. How? These fatty acids act like a natural anti-inflammatory bomb. They help reduce chronic inflammation in the body, a condition many older adults struggle with. Less inflammation means greater ease of movement and less joint and muscle pain. But the benefits don't stop there. Omega-3s also help guard against muscle loss, which becomes more common after age 60. Picture these nutrients as tiny bodyguards, shielding your muscle cells from age-related decline. Now let's talk about another unsung hero in walnuts. Magnesium. This mineral is crucial for healthy muscle contraction. Think of it as the conductor of your muscular symphony, making sure every movement is smooth, coordinated, and balanced. For seniors, that translates into fewer cramps, improved mobility, and better strength control. Walnuts are also loaded with healthy fats and protein, giving your body long-lasting fuel throughout the day. These macronutrients reduce fatigue, power your physical activities, and importantly assist in rebuilding muscle tissue. And we can't forget antioxidants. Walnuts contain an abundance of them, helping protect your muscles from oxidative stress. They act like tiny shields against free radicals that can damage your cells and accelerate aging. If you're looking for a simple, snackable way to support your leg strength, walnuts might just be your new best friend. Coming up next is food number 6, and it's one you'll probably find in your pantry right now. Let's keep going, picking up from the powerful benefits of walnuts for muscles and bones. Let's now dive deeper into how they continue to help seniors live stronger, more active lives. You see, walnuts aren't just about muscle support, also play a surprising role in strengthening our bones. According to a study published in the journal Nutrients, certain bioactive compounds found in walnuts can stimulate the activity of osteoblasts, which are the specialized cells responsible for forming new bone. When you realize how bone density declines naturally with age, this becomes a game-changer. In fact, another study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that older women who consumed walnuts regularly had better bone density scores compared to those who didn't. Why does this matter? Because stronger bones mean better balance, more stable movement, and a reduced risk of potentially debilitating fractures. So how can seniors easily incorporate walnuts into their daily routine? The great news is, it's simpler than you think. A small handful, about 1 ounce per day, is all it takes. You can enjoy them straight from the bag as a snack. Sprinkle them over oatmeal or Greek yogurt, toss them into your salads, or even blend them into your favorite smoothie for a nutty boost. And remember, consistency matters more than quantity. A little bit every day adds up far more than a lot once in a while. However, because walnuts are calorie-dense, moderation is key. And if you have a nut allergy or specific health conditions, it's always smart to check with your doctor before making changes to your diet. Now, moving on to number 6 on our list, salmon. Salmon isn't just a delicious fish, it's a nutritional powerhouse for aging muscles. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps lower chronic inflammation, which is one of the leading culprits behind age-related muscle loss. And let's face it, staying strong as we get older isn't just about lifting weights, it's about reducing the silent processes that erode our strength over time. Studies show that omega-3 salts don't just help with inflammation, they also directly support muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build and maintain muscle mass. That's why incorporating salmon into your weekly diet can go a long way in preserving leg strength and improving mobility. But omega-3 salts are just the beginning. Salmon is also packed with high-quality protein. In fact, it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle. That's especially important for seniors, because as we age, our protein requirements increase. Due to the body's declining ability to absorb and utilize it efficiently, there's more. Salmon is one of the best natural dietary sources of vitamin D. Why does that matter? Because strong muscles need strong bones to anchor to, and vitamin D plays a critical role in calcium absorption and bone strength. Many older adults suffer from low vitamin D levels due to limited sun exposure, which in turn weakens bones and heightens the risk of fractures. A few servings of salmon per week can help close that gap naturally. Let's not forget about vitamin B12. Salmon is rich in this essential nutrient, which supports nerve health and red blood cell production, of which are vital for muscle function. When B12 is lacking, seniors may experience fatigue, muscle weakness, numbness, and difficulty walking. So that tasty salmon fillet, it's doing more for your legs than you think. Next up, Greek yogurt. Coming in at number 5. Greek yogurt might look simple, but it packs a serious punch when it comes to maintaining muscle strength in older adults. Compared to regular yogurt, it undergoes extra straining to remove whey, resulting in a thicker texture and nearly double the protein content. This protein profile includes both casein and whey. Casein is a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles gradually, helping to prevent muscle breakdown. Whey digests quickly, delivering amino acids to muscles right after activity to aid in repair. That combo makes Greek yogurt a dynamic duo for both short-term recovery and long-term muscle maintenance. But Greek yogurt brings more to the table than protein. It's also rich in probiotics, the friendly bacteria that support gut health. Why does that matter? Because a healthy gut is essential for nutrient absorption. If your digestion is compromised, your body might struggle to absorb vital nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and yes, protein. And without those, your muscles can't function at their best. By eating Greek yogurt regularly, seniors can help improve digestion and nutrient absorption, which in turn enhances muscle and bone health. Add it to smoothies, top it with walnuts and berries, or enjoy it on its own. However you eat it, it's an easy way to give your muscles a daily boost. And this is just the beginning. Coming up next is a food that many people overlook, but it's a golden staple when it comes to reversing age-related muscle loss and keeping your legs strong. Let's keep going and find out what's next. Let's continue where we left off. With Greek yogurt, a food that doesn't just taste good, but works wonders for your bones and muscles. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, a mineral that plays a critical role in maintaining bone strength and overall skeletal stability. As we age, our bones naturally become more fragile, and for seniors, this can lead to a higher risk of fractures and mobility limitations. Strong bones are essential for keeping your legs stable and your body upright, especially since our legs bear the weight of nearly everything we do. By consuming Greek yogurt regularly, you're supporting your legs from the inside out. But Greek yogurt does more than strengthen bones. It's also packed with high-quality protein, a vital component in preventing muscle loss. As we age, we experience sarcopenia, the gradual decline in muscle mass and strength. Greek yogurt helps counteract this with both casein and whey protein. Casein digests slowly, offering a steady release of amino acids to maintain muscle over time, while whey digests quickly, aiding immediate muscle recovery. This dual-action benefit makes Greek yogurt an ideal daily food for older adults, striving to keep their legs strong and mobile. Let's not forget about vitamin B12, another crucial nutrient found in Greek yogurt. B12 is essential for both energy, production, and nerve health. Unfortunately, many seniors face a natural decline in stomach acid, which is necessary for absorbing B12 from food. As a result, B12 deficiency is common and can cause symptoms like fatigue, muscle weakness, and balance issues, all of which can compromise leg strength and increase fall risk. Including Greek yogurt in your diet helps support healthy B12 levels and reduces the likelihood of these issues. Now, let's turn to another nutrient-packed powerhouse: spinach. This leafy green may look delicate, but don't let appearances fool you. Spinach offers a wide array of muscle and bone-supporting nutrients that are especially beneficial for aging adults. First on the list is magnesium. Spinach is rich in this essential mineral, which plays a major role in muscle function. It helps regulate muscle contractions and supports communication between nerves and muscles. Many seniors don't get enough magnesium, and that can lead to muscle cramps, spasms, and increased fatigue. By adding spinach to your meals, you're helping reduce the likelihood of these painful interruptions in your daily movement. Another standout benefit of spinach is its high nitrate content. Nitrates naturally boost circulation by helping blood vessels relax and dilate, which improves blood flow to your muscles. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your legs, leading to reduced fatigue and better stamina. For seniors who feel winded or weak after a short walk, this benefit is particularly valuable. Spinach also delivers iron, a mineral vital for red blood cell production. Red blood cells carry oxygen throughout your body, including to your muscles. Low iron levels can lead to anemia, causing feelings of tiredness, weakness, and even dizziness. Seniors are especially vulnerable to iron deficiency, so eating iron-rich foods like spinach can help keep energy levels high and legs feeling strong. Let's not overlook vitamin K, found in abundance in spinach. This vitamin helps regulate calcium in the bones and is essential for maintaining bone density. Strong bones reduce the risk of falls and fractures, making vitamin K a quiet but powerful ally in senior mobility. And as a bonus, spinach also contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help combat oxidative stress, a key contributor to muscle aging and inflammation. Now on to eggs. Simple, affordable, and impressively nutritious. Eggs are often referred to as nature's multivitamin, and for good reason. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. This is especially important for older adults battling sarcopenia. By including eggs in your daily meals, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to rebuild and maintain muscle tissue. This keeps your legs strong, flexible, and able to support daily tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries. Another remarkable nutrient found in eggs is choline. This lesser-known compound is essential for producing acetylcholine, responsible for sending signals between your nerves and muscles. Proper choline levels help support quick reflexes, balanced and coordinated movement, factors that are vital for preventing falls and staying independent. Low choline levels can lead to sluggish movement, poor coordination, and overall muscle fatigue. Eggs help fill that gap naturally. They also deliver vitamin D, a nutrient critical to bone density. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and maintain bone structure. Without enough vitamin D, bones weaken, and the risk of falls and fractures climbs. For older adults with limited sun exposure, especially during winter, eating eggs can be an effective way to maintain healthy vitamin D levels. Combined with their protein and choline content, eggs offer a trifecta of support for leg health. By now you've learned how Greek yogurt, spinach, and eggs each play unique roles in preserving leg strength, enhancing mobility, and preventing injury. But we're not done yet. Up next, we'll explore 2 final superfoods that continue this mission: foods that help reduce inflammation, protect joints, and keep your stride strong well into your later years. Let's take a look. Vitamin D plays a vital role in both bone strength and muscle function, and eggs are one of the few natural food sources rich in this essential nutrient. As we age, vitamin D deficiency becomes more common and can quietly lead to muscle weakness, joint pain, and frail bones. But here's the good news. Eating eggs regularly can help maintain bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a condition that significantly increases fracture risk in older adults. Eggs also deliver a solid dose of B vitamins, especially B6 and B12, which are crucial for red blood cell formation and energy metabolism. These vitamins help convert food into usable energy, keeping seniors more active and less prone to fatigue. In fact, weak legs and low endurance are often linked to poor energy metabolism and circulation, 2 areas where B vitamins can offer much-needed support. Next on our list, beans. These humble plant-based powerhouses provide a potent combination of protein, fiber, and essential minerals, all of which support leg strength and muscle recovery. Whether you're enjoying black beans, lentils, chickpeas, or kidney beans, legumes are a fantastic, budget-friendly alternative to animal protein. Many older adults struggle to meet their daily protein needs, and beans offer a simple solution to help preserve muscle mass and avoid leg weakness. Beans are especially rich in dietary fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar. For seniors, stable blood sugar levels mean fewer energy crashes, translating to better mobility and stamina throughout the day. A steady release of energy also helps prevent the dips in strength and endurance that make climbing stairs or standing for long periods more difficult. And let's not overlook potassium, another mineral found abundantly in beans. Potassium supports proper nerve and muscle function and is particularly helpful in preventing leg cramps and spasms. Seniors who suffer from nighttime cramps or midday stiffness may benefit significantly from increasing their potassium intake. Alongside potassium, beans are also packed with iron, which fuels red blood cell production and helps carry oxygen throughout the body. Since muscle strength depends on proper oxygen delivery, Iron-rich foods like beans are vital for sustained mobility, even more impressive. Beans benefit your heart, and a healthy heart supports strong muscles. With soluble fiber to lower bad cholesterol and improve circulation, beans contribute to better blood flow to your limbs, which means your legs get the oxygen and nutrients they need to perform. This makes beans a quiet hero in the battle too. Maintain strength and independence in aging bodies. Last but not least, bananas. While often overlooked, bananas are a go-to snack for seniors looking to protect and restore leg function. Why? They deliver a unique combo of fast-digesting carbohydrates, potassium, and magnesium, 3 key nutrients that fuel muscle performance and prevent fatigue. Thanks to their high carbohydrate content, bananas provide quick, natural energy without the crash you get from processed snacks. They make an excellent pre- or post-exercise food, especially for seniors who experience energy dips. This kind of reliable energy is essential for keeping up daily activities without suddenly feeling drained. Potassium, abundantly found in bananas, is an electrolyte that regulates muscle contraction and hydration. Low potassium levels can lead to cramps, weakness, and even disrupted nerve signals, all of which impair leg strength. Adding bananas to your diet can help ensure smoother movements and fewer muscle-related issues. And don't forget magnesium. This mineral works alongside potassium to fine-tune how muscles contract and relax. When magnesium is low, seniors may experience painful cramps or tightness in their calves or thighs. Together, these two nutrients keep your muscles flexible, strong, and pain-free. By combining bananas with hydration and a balanced diet, seniors can support the muscular and neurological systems that keep them mobile. So next time you're looking for an easy, nutritious snack to boost leg strength, reach for a banana. Up next, we'll dive into the final 2 foods that round out our list: nutritional allies that complete a powerful routine for preserving mobility and leg strength well into your 60s and beyond. Let's continue. Let's wrap up our journey with one final powerful reminder. Keeping your legs strong isn't about one magic food. It's about making smart, consistent choices that nourish your body every single day. And among those choices, bananas remain one of the most practical, nutrient-packed options for seniors aiming to stay mobile and independent. Bananas are more than just a convenient snack. Rich in magnesium, they help prevent stiffness, twitching, and muscle fatigue issues that many seniors face daily. Magnesium is crucial for proper muscle relaxation and nerve function, and not getting enough of it can lead to soreness, cramping, and even reduced mobility. Including bananas in your routine is an easy way to ensure you're hitting those critical mineral needs. Another star nutrient found in bananas is vitamin B6. This vitamin supports red blood cell production and aids in oxygen transport throughout the body, directly fueling your muscles with the oxygen they need to perform. Without enough B6, seniors may feel fatigued, weak, or unsteady. Bananas, thankfully, offer a natural and gentle way to replenish those levels. And let's not forget, bananas are easy on digestion. Unlike some high-fiber foods that may upset sensitive stomachs, bananas are gentle, well-tolerated, and quickly absorbed. Whether you're recovering from a long walk or just need a light snack that won't weigh you down, bananas deliver energy and nutrients without the discomfort. A simple strategy? Try enjoying one banana a day on its own or paired with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt or a handful of nuts. This combination not only supports muscle health, but also helps keep blood sugar levels steady, making it an ideal snack or light meal for older adults. Throughout this video, we've covered a range of foods that offer incredible benefits for senior leg strength, from omega-3 rich salmon and magnesium-packed spinach to calcium-boosting Greek yogurt and potassium-dense beans. Each food brings unique nutrients to the table. They work together to improve circulation, boost energy metabolism, and support the intricate network of muscles and nerves that keep your legs strong and your steps steady. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Incorporating just a few of these nutrient-rich foods into your daily diet, alongside regular movement, can make a significant difference in how you feel, walk, and live. Strong legs mean more than mobility. They mean independence, confidence, and the freedom to enjoy your golden years without limits. So here's your gentle reminder from all of us at SRR Health Boost. Every bite you take is a step toward a stronger future. Make each one count. If today's tips inspired you, leave us a comment below with your favorite leg-strengthening food or one you're excited to try. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and be sure to subscribe to Senior Health Boost. Your support helps us reach more seniors with the tools they need to thrive. Stay active, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video. Your friends at Senior Health Boost.